Hey Azaria.
Hey.
Hey stewards, good day. Today we're going to be doing a soil test. With these jars we're going to take 4 soil samples.
And put water in them.
That's right, we're going to put water in them.
No. Mom.
And then we're going to see what happens. So we invite you along for the test.
Yeah, you can come along.
So here's how we're structuring our test. We're basically comparing between farmed and unfarmed soil.
And my daddy is a farmer.
Kind of.
And he loves to farm.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Syntropic system, okay? And we're going to take an area that has just grass, that hasn't been tilled, and then we're going to take an area that has been tilled originally, and then a no-till system,
Yeah?
and farmed on that.
Yeah?
We're also going to take a sample of our compost and our biointensive beds, okay? So we've got unfarmed, farmed syntropic, biointensive beds, and compost.
Yes.
So let's get these in here and see what it turns out to be. So here's what we're going to do. We don't have any plastic containers, but we do have glass, which may not work quite as well, but we're going to take these.
And we don't use plastic.
That's right, that's why we don't have any.
Yeah.
And then we're going to take an old mosquito net and cut it, and then put a rubber band around it and suspend the soil in the water.
Yeah, so it doesn't come out.
That's right, and then we're gonna tap it and see what the water looks like after we do that.
Yay!
Now it's time for the soil to go into the jars to see what happens when we start tapping.
Look at this.
Okay, so we were gonna do some fancy video editing today and do like drone footage of us getting the soil and some B-roll on the phone. But guess what? It started raining and all the batteries were dead. So please forgive us because we have 3 children that are toddlers.
1, 2, no one.
We're doing the best we can. We wish we would have had the drone recording us running around the farm with a shovel before the rain came and the chickens chasing us and the dog wondering what was happening. But we didn't. But you can just imagine. So we got our samples here.
And our water.
This is the unfarmed one. So this is just coming right out of the grass and not tilled, not farmed, nothing. Just kikuyu grass, I think. This is the farmed syntropic one. After about 9 months to a year or so. This one here is the biointensive farmed sample. And then this is the compost sample. Now you guys, which 2 do you think look most similar? Like if you had to pick 2 that looked the same.
The grass one, the kikuyu grass one.
This one?
Yes.
And what?
And that one.
Really?
Yes. And that one.
What do you think looks the same about it?
I mean, not that one. This one and that one.
This one and this one?
Yes. And that and that and that
So
one.
you think the two farm soils look the most the same?
Yeah.
Stop moving the card.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Frame check, please, on the card. Straighten it up. Let's start with the unfarmed one.
Lovely. Wow.
Let's move to the syntropic one.
Wow.
Okay. Compost. Oh man, this compost was so much effort went into making this. And the biointensive one.
Good job, Daddy.
Thanks.
Oh, look what happened to this one.
Yeah. but it's cool. It looks nice, right?
Yeah.
So have we got enough in?
Yep.
Does it look like everything has enough?
Yeah.
All right, so now what we're gonna do
It's tap it.
is tap it. Do you wanna help me, Azaria?
Yes.
So here's a stick for you, a stick for Amir, a stick for Mama, a stick for me, and the big stick. So let's start with this one.
Now we're tapping.
It just got cloudy. Let's try this one. Can you check the camera to see if the particles are showing up? Is it visible?
They are, but I feel like a little zooming in.
Okay. So we're good on the camera?
Yeah.
All right. So the unfarmed, I don't see many particles, but let's disturb the top a little. I don't see many particles. If you stir it, it kind of does, but it mostly just got cloudy.
Like
Now let's try
red.
this one. Let's do this one again.
Wow. It's getting white.
Yeah, this one you can see the particles, right?
Yeah. And there's so much white.
Although there is a lot of small
You know.
stuff up here that might just be falling through. It seems like the particles are lessening now. There's not as many. Let's try agitating. So when you agitate it, you can see it goes through. The mosquito net might not be the finest thing to use. But, okay, so let's go to the compost now.
This one?
Yeah, can you move the camera? All right, let's do the compost. I guess it's good that all of them have mosquito nets on because it's comparative. So it seems like when I stir the top, more falls through. Is that visible on camera? Now let's go over to the other farm soil, the Biointensive. Yeah. Oh, there's more particles on this one coming through. Agitate it a little. All right, stop. You gotta let it settle. Okay.
Yay!
All right, high five. Good job. We did it. Now, what does it look like? What did we learn?
We learned that like this one
Yeah.
get brown and that one gets white, and these other two just get they're mostly not like these ones.
That's true. That one's brown, that one's white, and those are clear.
Yeah.
And then pretty much all of them had roughly the same amount of particles drop down through the net when tapped and agitated. This one it's harder to see.
This one is.
And there's so many roots on this one, it's holding on to everything. Maybe if we would have gone a little further down, that would have been a better test. What do you think?
Good.
Renee? What does it look like to you on camera?
I like what I see. I like the Syntropic.
This
I
one
would
here?
say, is that the Syntropic?
Yeah.
I like that one. Pretty much, I like both of them.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see what the professor says.
I mean the compost.
Yeah.
It's champ.
Alright. That's a wrap for this video.
Daddy,
Say bye.
is it going to come here? Bye. Is it going to come here, or we're going to carry them? Please. Soldier test. This is a soldier. Can I take those things in. These things. I took them in like this, Daddy. Very good. Hello, I'm Azaria.
Hey Azaria, what are you doing today?
I'm doing a camera test.
No, I don't think that's what we're doing. Maybe we're doing a soil test instead.
Yeah, we're doing a soil test. Oh, I know. Let's play Maymay.
No. No dolls in this video.
Amir, no dolls.
Yeah.
You can put
She's
me-
gotta go.
Sorry, Maymay. I mean, Maylee.